In today's episode, I'm going to show you the benefits of learning new skills for your productivity. So let's get started. Prospective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Prospective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit prospectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Prospective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina V. Rising and welcome to the Prospective Plans Show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at prospectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Prospective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Acquiring novel proficiencies is crucial for professional growth. It broadens your range of career alternatives and aids in the development of fresh strategies to adapt to a world that is changing quickly. However, there are a few advantages. No matter what kind of ability you gain, or your age, or even your career, there are 5 advantages to picking up new abilities. Tip 1. Innovation in technology. The advancement of technology has created new possibilities and improved work performance in numerous industries. You may boost your productivity and elevate the quality of your work by learning how to utilize new technological tools via ongoing learning experiences. For instance, to educate staff members the fundamentals of database coding, a hospital's administrative team can arrange a coding workshop. They may save time and effort by using this expertise to quickly resolve small errors in their medical database. Tip 2. Enhance relationships. While some possibilities for continuous learning are individualized, others let you develop connections with your coworkers. Certain ongoing education programs emphasize collaboration and teamwork, which might be perfect for groups that are just getting started. You may engage in communication skills, practice, and trust exercises throughout these seminars. While group activities and discussion times may be included, team building may not be the exclusive emphasis of other chances. By getting to know your coworkers via these experiences, you may all work together more successfully. Tip 3. Career contentment. It may be intellectually fueling to have the chance to sharpen your abilities and broaden your knowledge, which can improve your work happiness. Supervisors may provide a variety of possibilities for professional enrichment, since they often like having team members who are enthusiastic about their job. For instance, taking seminars on family law and sociology as a paralegal at a family law company might benefit your work performance and keep your mind engaged. Tip 4. It benefits your health. Learning keeps the body and mind active. It facilitates the acquisition of fresh, informed viewpoints on the surroundings. It keeps your neural connections alive, it helps you learn new things, and prepares your brain to tackle a variety of obstacles. Together, these elements maintain your health. Consider taking a culinary lesson. Making wholesome meals for your family may help you and your family's health. Additionally, the lesson would have assisted you in being more effective at work, since a healthy person is, a productive person. Learning may be therapeutic for a disturbed mind, since it is interesting and fulfilling as well. It assists in realizing your untapped potential, so you may quit punishing yourself for pursuing a job that doesn't really work out. Developing your skill set makes you joyful and promotes mental health, since it lets you see how valuable you are to many others.
Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at prospectiveplans.com.
Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 5. Boost self-assurance. Acquiring new talents and broadening your understanding of the business might boost your self-assurance. Certain ongoing educational opportunities, such as leadership summits, have a particular emphasis on exercises that boost self-assurance. You may study leadership styles, engage in constructive self-talk, and even demonstrate leadership in real work situations. Other educational opportunities could concentrate on work content or other soft skills, such as empathy or communication. But as your skill set grows, these experiences can also boost your confidence. Gaining more self-assurance might enable you to advance in your profession by taking on more responsibility at work. Tip 6, it provides access. Learning a brand new language opens up employment opportunities both domestically and abroad in a variety of industries that needs bilingual workers. Gaining programming knowledge will increase your chances of becoming promoted. Gaining proficiency in an instrument opens up additional revenue streams. You may get part-time freelance work when you learn how to write essays, create websites, or even operate as a virtual secretary. No matter what new ability you pick up, there will always be fresh opportunities available to you. It's critical to find new sources of income, particularly at this time when the majority of global countries are struggling financially. In order to save money for retirement, it's also critical to generate more money if you can. Tip 7, increases your education and skills. Increasing your education and skill set is becoming more of a need than a choice. Examine the topics that pique your curiosity if you're unsure of what to study or what educational options are available. What have you been enthusiastic about or even interested in since you were a child? By responding to this question, you should be able to find out which educational path you ought to choose. Learning will also provide you immense happiness. Regardless of age or professional status, learning is a delight and a source of fulfillment, whether it is for a pastime or even a vocation. Tip 8, it maintains your relevance. When a new CEO takes over, or when regular responsibilities are drastically altered, many workers have difficulties at work. This is when having new abilities might be useful. One way to help you adjust and change is to enroll in a time management course, which will provide you with more time and of course flexibility. Getting instruction in time management will also enable you to approach your task with new positivity. Recall that having a growth attitude and being eager to gain new abilities will boost your confidence. It advances both your professional and even personal development. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at prospectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 9, it maintains your relevance. If you don't stay up with technology advancements, your company will replace you as soon as possible. Keep in mind that the economy is always changing and the job market is always shifting. And well, technology advancements are impacting every area of the economy. If you don't keep learning and developing your professional skills, it will be difficult for you to reach your job objectives. If you don't discover anything that your rivals haven't, you won't be able to remain ahead. Tip 10, it makes you more likable. Your coworkers will want to be friends with you if you fix faulty printers and of course format computers. Speaking a foreign language will automatically make others want to be around you. Building aware of something that others are not helps you build stronger relationships with your coworkers at work. It also makes you more well-liked and respected by your peers. Additionally, it may improve your chances of landing a job. If you've just picked up new abilities, you'll have much to discuss when the interviewer asks, "Tell me something not on your resume." Bonus tip if you made it this far into our episode. Resilience. You may cultivate resilience and a growth attitude that will aid you in navigating future uncertainty by embracing the learning process and pushing yourself to pick up new abilities. In addition to building resilience, accepting the learning process and consistently challenging oneself to gain new abilities also develops a growth mindset, which is very helpful in managing unforeseen situations in the future. People who have a growth mentality see barriers and problems as a chance for learning and development, rather than an insurmountable hurdle. This mentality adjustment enables people to be more flexible and adaptive when faced with change, enabling them to recover stronger and become more resilient than ever. Furthermore, developing resilience via education and skill building helps teams and organizations as a whole in addition to individuals. Resilient people who are open to learning make for better teams that can handle difficult problems and perform well in fast-paced settings. Organizations may develop resilience at levels by cultivating a culture of ongoing learning and development. This will boost creativity and teamwork, and eventually lead to success in the face of difficulty. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on our list. Tip 1, innovation in technology. Tip 2, enhances relationships. Tip 3, career contentment. Tip 4, it benefits your health. Tip 5, boosts your self-assurance. Tip 6, it provides access. Tip 7, increases your education and skills. Tip 8, it maintains your relevance. Tip 10, it makes you more likable. And our bonus tip, resilience. If there are 9 rabbits on the ground, if you want to catch one, just focus on one. Jack Ma. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/Prospective Plans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.